Hi, in this video, I'm going to continue solving practice question for sets. Last video, I forgot to solve the last question, number 10. So this is the three sets. We got A, B, and C. The given that the universal total is 25. So let us addition first all 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 and plus 2. This is gonna be 21. The total of 25 minus 21, so this equal to 4. So x equal to 4. Next, and the set of A here. A, so we got 6 plus by 1 plus by 3 and plus by 2. So this equal to 12. Next, this is A universal with B. Okay, we got it here 12 first for the A. So we can write it 12 plus this x and 7 plus 4 and plus 7. So the answer is gonna be 23. Okay, next question. And is not C. Okay, not this circle. Not this circle. So we got 6 plus 1 and then plus 4. The answer is gonna be 11. So A intersection with B intersection again with C. So we got it. The answer is here, middle, 3. Next, look at here. B intersection with C and intersection with not A. Yeah, of course. Not with A. Not this circle. So only these two circles. So the intersection is 7. There it is. Thank you.